So, are you someone like me with a lot of responsibility to bear, but a limited source of income? I'm here for you, beautiful people. Welcome back on board. In case you are coming across this channel for the first time, please be generous enough to subscribe to this channel. You won't regret that, as I have a lot of updates to be dropping to you back to back, based on experience and not based on just imagination. So any update I drop for you here, make sure you hacked it and you confirmed it. If it is not confirmed and if it is not legit, I will never bring it to your screen. So to the returning viewers, I really appreciate your commitment to this channel. Thank you for always sticking to this channel. Thank you for your engagement always. I'm glad to hear that this video is adding to you one way or the other. So today in this video, I'm going to introduce to you two legit websites where you can make money. Or let me just say three, that you can make money online, that it doesn't require you to, because in 2024, if you are still there and you don't have any side hustle, you don't have anything that is bringing you side money, like you don't have side hustle apart from your normal daily job, yeah, you are missing out and you are not updated. So the number one app I'm going to introduce to you is the Rewazi app. Rewazi is actually paying, and it is a vlog website. They have a app as well that you download on the Play Store. So Rewazi is paying you based on, they give you daily tasks to do, and when you do the GIGs, you get paid from it. After dropping your task, they review it, and if it is accepted, they will accept it and give you whatever allocation is attached to it. So if you are here, make sure you download the Rewazi app. That is the logo showing on your screen. Make sure you download it and you are doing your task. Don't just download applications. Make sure you register and make sure you are carrying out the task, because some of you will be like, I don't know how to make money here, I just downloaded it, I don't know how to pay about it. It is very simple. Their interface is very simple to understand on Rewazi. Make sure you download the Rewazi. It is on the Apple Play Store. And the number two website I'm going to introduce to you, so in case you have not subscribed till now, this is the perfect time for you to click the subscription button, as it is absolutely free. Yeah, the number two site that I will introduce to you is the Swag Box. Yes, the Swag Box. I'm doing it currently, and on Swagbox, do you know how you make money on Swagbox? On Swagbox, the task that you are asked to do on Swagbox is a paid survey website. Yeah, paid survey. They have games that you can play, but you have to reach a particular level on the game before they reward you your token. So on Swagbucks, you earn the SB token, and when you make the SB token, you can convert the SB token to gift card. They have the Amazon gift card. They have a lot of gift card starting from $10. Yes, so that $10 is like 1,000 SB. When you have 500 SB, yes, you have $5. 500 MB is $5. So $10 is 1,000 SB. So it is that SB, you with that SB point that you earn, so you can purchase gift cards on right on the website. They will even give you cash back. So when you get the gift card, you can sell it to your vendor, and from there you make money. So there's no website that will give you money for free, unlike Page or something like that. I actually have to practice it. I was thinking of bringing it to you guys, but I believe in practice, so I have to practice it. I went through the website, I did everything I'm supposed to do, and I noticed that when you finish a particular requirement, they still had another one to it. But Swagbucks is not like that. Rewazi is not like that. So these two apps, I'm saying this to you boldly, that they really pay depending on how much you can work. So on the Swagbucks website, you have to log in daily to answer at least one survey question. As for me, I actually finished all my tasks a day. I finished it a day, and every day I logged in on the website to answer my survey question at least, so I earn like 1 SB per day. Based on the reviews from people that have been on the website and that have gotten paid on the website, I came to realize that Swagbucks, and I came to declare to you that Swagbucks is actually real and is paying. So thank you for joining me on this video, and watch out for the next updates to know what is coming up.